coming out. What the hell? Oh my god. Ah! They're coming in. Ah! Shut the window. Oh, buddy. Oh my god. Do you see this? Oh my god! Are you serious? This is the anime convention! For God's sake! Simmer down! Look at that! That's all hail! That's all hail! Ah! Okay, I think the hail's gone. Look at all that. This guy's a fucking little... Oh my god, I hope Mom's okay. Ah! For fuck's sake. Oh my god. Nyanya. Can you believe this? The day of the anime convention. And it fucking pours like this. This is ridiculous. Pure ridiculous. My poor cats are all like fucking scared out of their minds. How the hell am I gonna drive in this for 2.5 hours? Huh? Oh, my camera's all wet. Right, Nyanya. That is insane. Is this like a warning? Don't go to the anime convention. Meow. I can't believe this. I seriously can't. Neither can Nyanya. Can you? No? She doesn't know what to think. No? 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 Oh, Smokey, how are you? Scared? Look at how he just blends into the darkness. Oh, there he is. With his one eye. Smokey! Okay. I think it's gone. That's ridiculous.